Redemption, bro. Redemption. That's what I'm talking about. Got through. So basically, Fatalis won. And that's pretty. I think that's, yeah, that's basically it. He's definitely gonna win the rest. So don't gotta worry about that. But finally, after three assemblies, he won. But me, on the other hand, it was sad. I got mashed with a fat whale. It was so sad. This was me right here. It was so sad. Like, everyone else got a nice little matchmaking. Got a nice matchmaking system. Look at that. Everyone else couldn't make it to top 64. It was so sad. It was so sad. But oh well. Next time. Is it close? That's a question. No, finals. Yes. Is it close? That's the question. I'm gonna risk it for the biscuit. Let's see. Should I do it? Should I not? Should I do it? Should I not? Like, it's two magic hits. And I think it falls in the favor of Ho. Yeah. I think it falls in. Oh, it's closer than I thought it would be. Huh. Could risk it. Could risk it. Yeah, I'm gonna try. And, nah, too much. 150. And the rest right here. Okay, shop. I completely forgot about this one, but okay. Oh, don't have. Reveal stones are nice to have. Cause I'm running out since I'm buying all these good stuff. Still have not finished my cosmic laws, which is sad. It's just taking a long time. But oh well. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah, this one. Let's see, 44K. Garbage. There is. Nope. Come on, bro. Yes. All right. I might go down to 30K. Ooh. You know what? I might just keep this one. I might just do it. I'm gonna do it. More pulls from me. Alright. Let's finish this one. So nice to have the people. So nice. Don't have to worry about my range anymore. They still hurt though. They still hurt. Still hurt. This is one thing that Corp asset ability is useful for. Tower. I mean, it's useful for PvP as well, but it's not that great compared to the magical ability. Okay, I think I did. Yeah, I need to do this. Give me one extra. No, come on, bro. Please. Why? Just give me one extra, dude. It's been so long. Yeah, use that. That's next. Oh, I got one right there. Cool, 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 cool. All right. We take those. We take those. All right, let's do this. Let's get that. And oh, only one level. You know, I'm actually debating to do the beast wave to get more plywood, complete that faster. It's what, 14 levels to go. Times 17 is what, 200 and something something. It's not gonna be enough, so let's hold off until the next one. I'll probably use it in the next one, to be honest. Alright, that's that. Oh yeah, forgot to buy my peel bags. Only doing three. 3 refreshes, I should say. Okay. Okay, cool. Got that. 2 legendaries, that's not bad. Where am I? Yeah. Such a long way to go. Oh my gosh. Quality is gonna be a pain. Alright. I completely forgot what I was doing. Okay. Get in there, get in there. It's so slow. How far am I? G13. G14. G17. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay, anyways, let's go back to the main topic. Because this is what I made the video for, to see this one. Like, a clean sweep. Imagine having a strong main world. And it's just basically how all of them went. All the matches went. And in case you're wondering why I didn't get silenced, is because he used Windwalker, and that has immunity. So that resists the silence debuff. And that's just it. And the last one was like the closest one. Girl, bro, you're just hitting for billions. Crazy. Bro, I got hit for like what was that? 300 billion on the Tom Lady? That's like, what? All my health. Crazy. Just tanked it. And then this one was no cage match. And I got lucky with the counter attack right there. And then it just went downhill from there, right there. Yeah. I mean, that's the strength of the frost shell right there, the counter attack. But if that doesn't really, if that doesn't, sometimes it really doesn't really help much. And that's where the Phineas comes in with just an increased amount of damage. And that's basically how the other third one went, which is... Oh, let's go to top 64. Was there... any good ones? This one looks interesting. You know, I probably should have started with the top 64 and then went to the finals, but oh well. It is what it is. Yeah. And that's the strength of the Phineas. Just pure damage. Was it just a crit? Yep, it was a crit. Yeah. From 50% to 0 in, what was it, 3 or 4 seconds? I wonder why I didn't use a robe. A robe would have ensured that he didn't die so fast, but oh well. It was a good match. Oh wow. Man, this one just shorted of the freaking counter attack. And counter attack. Oh wow. If your main was strong, that's just gonna be a very nice thing to do. And counter attack. There it is. Like all three of them was just a counter attack. Counter attack kill. How much damage did it do though? I forgot to check. Ratio. Aegis break. Aegis break. So it wasn't the counter attack? Or I just said no. I mean, okay, I guess. I thought it was a counter attack. Yeah, there it is. 468 billion. Which is just massive. And it didn't even crit too, just like a normal hit. Crazy. Yeah, I think, yeah, that's about it for the matches that was... Oh, this one. I didn't see this one. What was this like? It was Robe. Yeah, whoever runs over Shields first loses. That's basically how Magica fights go, but... And this one... Oh, this one was a good one. Roll. Oh, homie roar. Get the dub. And then this one, he just got unlucky with the main world. And he almost won too. Like, if he could higher, he would have actually won. That would be crazy. And that's just crazy. Just the corp crits are just crazy in general. But I never get them, which is just sad. Yeah, was it? Yeah, the stab. Where is... Doesn't show up. Doesn't show up. To go way down. Right there, 580 billion crit. And the same one for the other match. And then this one. Oh yeah, Gojo doesn't use mini world first. Yeah. I mean, has its pros and cons, but if you're not strong enough to tank it, doesn't make much difference. Oh, the turtle, that's the one that got him. Turtle did him dirty. Yeah, but yeah, that's about it for Celestial Assembly and Global. At least the Eternal phase. Wasn't too bad. Still not great that I didn't make it to top 64, but oh well. Next time. Next time. Well, until next time.